Hello, my beautiful friends and dancers from all over the world. It's time to master the first foundation of hip hop dance. Yes, it's time to do the bounce. Today, I'm gonna show you 10 different ways of how you can play with your bounce. Yes, 10 different ways. So, stay with me until the end.
Underground up. Bounce, nigga, bounce, 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 nigga, bounce, nigga. When I come through, hit y'all with the 1-2. Freak y'all niggas out, y'all niggas won't even know what to do. Break through, make all of y'all people wanna come through. Feel the force from my shit kicking like it was kung fu. Blast you, don't teach corny niggas I rash you. Set a tone in the streets and even the fans blast you. Ask you, niggas, do y'all really want to brand?
The first element of bounce is a state of movement that you go up and you go down. For the first round, I just want to show you what is the bounce and how we can show it with our body. Alright, this is a simple bounce. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Now I'm gonna show you how we can play with bounce and freestyle with it. The first thing that you can do with bounce is to consider up and down individually. You can do bounce with the direction to the down like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can do the bounce upward like 1, 2, 3, 4. When you do this pattern, it is the down bounce, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we do the up bounce, we do this from this position, bending our knees, we go up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me clear something. When you go down, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and when you go up, you count like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright? Let me show you with the music. So you can play with down bounce and the up bounce because each of them has different energies that you can use it in the music. The second tool that we can use with bounce and play with it is to use it full body. You know, bounce is one of the most important grooves in hip hop.
I've been taking long, I've been writing songs.
The third way that you can do the bounce and play with it is that you can use bounce with the rhythm. Each layer of the music has a rhythm. For example, when we listen to melody, it has its own rhythm. And then when we listen to kick pattern, it has a different rhythm. one is using steps while you're bouncing, because bounce is just a state of going up and down, and you can add direction and you can use space with using your feet. It's time to use double as a tool to play with our bounce. Double means that you duplicate your movement. For example, when you do this, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can double this process. You can do this. Bum, 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 bum. It is doubled. Or when you use steps, you can double your steps. For example, 1, 2, you can double the third step. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The tool number 6, it is called the range. You can use different range for your movement and your grooves. For example, you can do the bounce like this, or you can do the bounce like this. It's a big range, yeah? And one of the best ways for you to explore bounce more and more is using pathways. Pathways means the way that you choose to dance. For example, you can dance in a straight way, like this. You can go and you can return that path. Or you can just simply choose to have a circular space and then explore that circle. Another thing that you can consider is that you can use different energies while you're bouncing. Up and down, up and down to show the bass line. Or while you're listening to the hi-hat, you can show another energy that is very fast, like this. Bum, bum, bum. Using different timings is very beneficial, especially for the ones who just started the hip hop dance, because when you know the timing, you can do the bounce with the lowest speed, and then you can increase the speed whenever you feel that it is the time, it is the right timing. So Timing is about using whole note, half note, quarter note, or the eighth note. So when we want to use the whole note when we are bouncing, it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, it is very slow. It is the slowest version of our bounce. But we can develop and go to the next level while we are using the second timing, which is half note. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third timing is quarter note. We have to do the bounce with every number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last timing, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the eighth note. We can do the bounce with the eighth note. It's like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ta 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 ta. You know, we can use many things, even more than what I've just said. You can explore and find something that is inspirational to you, inspired from nature, from even your room. So you can use everything to develop your simple movement. And the last one is that you can use hip-hop basics, party dance movement, and then add the bounce and other things that I've just said to you today. You can use different timing, different energies, and different rhythm while you're bouncing with those particular steps. For example, it's not necessary that you do the Steve Martin just like the way it is. You can do this with different bounce, with different timing. You can do this like this. Boom, boom, double, boom, boom, double, boom, 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 double. Yeah? So I hope that everything is clear and this video is helpful and useful for you. I am really glad to have you all in my channel. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.